Good morning, guys. I'm with Batman. Blessed Sunday. So today we're going to CCF because today ay ang aking first time magvo-volunteer sa GLC. So I chose to volunteer sa GLC ministry, and I think I mentioned na I will share with you guys yung magiging decision ko, pero I'm not sure if I've already mentioned it on the vlog dahil nga medyo pasulpot-sulpot lang yung pagbo-vlog ko. Hindi ko na alam nga actually kung ano yung last na update na nasabi ko sa inyo. But anyway, ayun na nga, in case I have not mentioned that yet, so yes, I will be volunteering for GLC. Supposedly, actually, the role that I volunteered in is for social media copywriter. Yun yung initial. And then, I also signed up as parang for the registration help desk in case there are events. And then, the third one is as a photographer slash videographer or Reels editor, video editor, ganyan. Today, there's actually, wala namang event, but there's a photo shoot that they're doing because magda-graduation na yung GLC. In case you don't know, GLC stands for Global Leadership Center. It's the ministry in CCF wherein they do more on gospel studies. They have different books or different phases na parang, or levels, they call it levels. And once you finish the levels na kailangan, once you've read all the books that you have to read or go through the materials that they give you doon sa mga lessons ng GLC, then you will be able to be eligible for graduation. So, graduation is on August. So, right now, may ongoing na photo shoot. And, doon ako And, doon ako magvo-volunteer. So, initially, volunteer lang ako as an event usher. Wala namang problema. Parang, gusto ko lang din siyang, not usher, as in someone who assists. And gusto ko lang rin muna ma-familiarize yung sarili ko with the people who I'll be, volunteering with and all that. Last minute, or when I signed up for today, I actually mentioned dun sa coordinator that if they are up for it, I can also do reels for them or take videos that they can use for reels, or ako mismo yung gagawa ng reels. Something like that. I'm actually both excited and quite, nervous? Hindi naman nervous. Pero, kasi nga, your girl is socially awkward, and I know that, I will be I will be socially awkward when I get there, pero I have to remind myself that I am not doing this for myself, I'm doing this for the Lord. This is a service to God. So I'm just praying na everything will go smoothly, everything will go well, and magawa ko kung ano man yung mga ipapagawa sa akin today doon. And sana kahit paano, since I'll be bringing my camera, since I'll be doing reels nga for them, sana ay makakuha din ako ng onting snippet para dito sa vlog. So yun, alis kami dito siguro mga 9 or 9:30. So we'll get there at 10 kasi 10 o'clock start ng huddle for the volunteers. And then I'll be volunteering lang naman until 12. And then attend kami ng 12 o'clock na service. So ihatid na ako nila Omar. Ang kasama lang namin today ay si AL and si Ark. Si Art ay attend ng kids church by 12 o'clock. Tapos ako naman mag-attend na kami ng actual service. Tapos si Omar kasi by around mga 10:30 to 11, meron siyang meeting with the Exalt team. Kulit nitong bata, guys, Kulit, Kikis ko.
I'm Batman.
Move muna, move. So, yun lang guys. Okay, si Ayala ay nag-milk ngayon dito. Ayan, ako ay nagtatry magtiklop. So, habang tahimik siya, tutuloy ko muna yung aking pagtitiklop para matapos ko to bago kami umalis. BRB.
BRB. BRB. Oh, Papa.
Done. And the baby is sleeping over there.
Lord of the mountains and sea, you are treading a path for me. God of the seasons and sky, You have always been holding my life. And Lord, you are the shepherd of my soul. So I lay down my plans, I give up my rights, let you take control of this surrendered life. So I put my trust in the one.
You like it or not because of the mango hair?
A little bit not, but yes. Because there's mango hair.
Good morning guys, welcome to another start of a vlog. Hindi na ako nakapagkwento about yesterday, but I took a lot of clips from yesterday. Hi. Oh, Ayo. Is that my baby Ayo? Ayo? Hmm? Is that the baby Ayo? Okay, so nandito yung tripod pero hindi ko pa nabalik tong camera ko sa tripod kasi nga dinala ko siya yesterday, so tinanggal ko siya sa pagkakakabit sa tripod. Anyway, so yesterday mga almost 4 na kami nakauwi. Hindi ko rin gets ba't kami masyadong natagalan, pero kasi after ng service mga 1:30 or 2 yon natapos. Kumain na kami ng lunch, late lunch sa CCF. Tapos after lunch umuwi naman na kami. So anyway, I was supposed to volunteer as an usher yesterday or sa registration area lang. But God had a different plan, so He let me use my photography skills, and I say skills loosely kasi matagal na rin ako hindi nagpipicture ng anything na parang hindi selfie. Yun yung ginawa ko yesterday, so I was one of the photographers for the photo shoot, and nakakatuwa nga kasi nakakatuwa na finally ay nakapag-serve na ako kay Lord through our church ministry, to one of our church's ministries. And second is nakakatuwa na mag-work ulit behind the camera kasi it's been a while. Looking forward to more by God's grace, God willing. So ayun. Tapos ano pa ba? Yun lang, pagka-uwi, hindi ko alam, pagod na rin ako. So, si AL, napatulog ko siya, actually, medyo maaga naman. So, today, I'll be doing some work, kasi hindi ako masyadong nakapagtrabaho nitong weekend. So, gonna do some editing, copy editing, and then, also going to create a few graphics for Social Leverage, which, by the way, Social Leverage is actually a social media management agency that we've established sometime in 2021. 2022 yata, sorry. Sometime in 2022, and then what do you call this? Medyo nahinto ko siya. Hininto ko muna siya last year because of pregnancy, because I was advised to lessen my work dahil nga I cannot be stressed because of my condition. So, nag-stop ako, and since December 2023 until about last week, walang update doon sa page ng Social Leverage. But then, I decided na, since si AL naman ay magpo-4 months na on Monday, and then, si Art naman ay big boy na. So, not saying that I have a lot of time now, pero mas may time na ako siguro, maybe, to work on it again and to do content again for the agency and na maghanap ulit ng clients for social media management. So, ayun. That's aside from my work sa marketing ng company namin, which is WT Migremo. So, ayun lang. What are you showing them? Sige na. Show them. Don't move the camera. What's that? Tell them. Tell them what it is. They don't see. They don't know.
Bad signal
Okay.
for Batman.
This is bad
For Bat-
signal.
from Batman the Dark Knight.
Wow. Nice.
From Batman the Dark Knight.
Okay. Good job, Art. So, ayun. Isa yun sa mga gagawin ko today. And also the long overdue na pagpa-finalize ko ng mga designs na ipapaprint ko for positive label. Actually, hindi ko talaga maintindihan but what's keeping me from having the designs printed since nandito naman na yung shirts, okay na yung design supposedly. Pero parang feeling ko meron akong gusto idagdag na hindi ko pa alam. Pinagpe-pray ko pa kay Lord ko ano yun and i-reveal niya sa akin. Okay, and i-reveal niya sa
Because
akin.
I need to clean upstairs.
And i-reveal niya sa akin what exactly it is that he still wants me to create for this batch. Aside from that, aside from the printing, usually I make like teaser posts for positive label. But this time around, hindi ko siya nagagawa. Given naman. So, ayun, I have to catch up and I have to really release that. Hopefully, mapaprint ko na siya by this week para by next week ready na yung shirts and na-post ko na siya and everything and ma-promote na siya or if kaya ko siya i-promote this week then why not, but I don't know, I'm not in a hurry but at the same time medyo matagal na rin siya. Feeling ko the more na pinapatagal ko siya the more na parang hindi nawawala syempre yung excitement tas baka lalong hindi ko siya magawa. So there's that. So far yun lang naman. Those are the things that I have in mind that I have to do today. So, yeah. Update ko kayo ulit later in a bit. Right? Right, Ayo? Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby. Ayo, Ayo na yan. Sus. Okay, PRP. Hey everyone, so it is the next day. AL is sleeping over there. So, nandito naman tayo sa studio. Parang feeling ko, sunod-sunod na araw na dito ako nag-film. But that's because, excuse me, kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Anyway, that's because I started using my work table again. Kasi mas comfortable talaga magtrabaho dito dahil yung upuan ko maayos pag sa dining. Kasi yung upuan ng dining namin ay kahoy yun. So, kahoy yung sandalan. Tapos, yung pinakaupuan niya matigas. So, hindi komportable at all. So, anyway, that's one of the reasons why mas gusto ko na dito and mas komportable lang na may table. Today is a Tuesday. Si Omar and si Ain, they went back to the school kasi today yung pasahan ng requirements ni Ain for senior high. So, naka-enroll na siya. Pero yung mga documents, today yung sinet na deadline. So, pinasa na nila yun. Nandun pa rin sila kasi hinihintay yata yung release ng uniform. Last night, I had time to go through some of the files dito sa laptop ko and pinagbubuksan ko yung mga files na medyo matagal na ever since inopen ko. And na-realize ko na grabe pala ako noong 2022. Like, sobrang dami kong sinimulan na parang projects na I was supposed to, do or to launch. Merong yung course na social media management course na dapat ay aking ilo-launch na hindi ko na nagawa pero later I'll talk about it later. Tapos meron pa akong dapat na podcast na ilo-launch ulit na na-film ko na, actually, na-record ko na yung audio for that one. Pero, hindi ko rin siya natuloy. Hindi ko na siya pinublish. And, aside from that, yung Boss Moms in Charge na channel, na community, which I built sometime in 2022 as well. So, actually, yung Boss Moms, sinisip ko 2022 ba o 2021 ko siya binuo. But anyway, for those who don't know, it's supposedly a community for moms, specifically moms who are having like parang identity crisis or are suffering from, yung parang nasa crossroad sila in terms of like their career, productivity, or when it comes to their role as a mother. Kasi I've experienced that before. Hindi ko alam kung ako ba'y magsistay as a full-time stay-at-home mom or ako ba'y mag-work kasi may need. Yung something like that. So anyway, that community is supposed to help moms who are going through those kinds of situation. Parang sort of an encouragement or parang a support group for moms. So that's something that I actually built. And for a while, it was active. I was even able to post a few videos on the YouTube channel, but I stopped. Kasi marami rin talaga nangyari sa aking personal life, mga personal struggles that I've experienced the past few years. So, yun. Isa yon sa mga bagay na parang na-unearth ko last night and naisip ko, grabe si Ayin noong 2022. Sobrang ambitious ko. Sobra yung parang willpower ko that time to start projects and everything, but obviously all those were placed on the back burner, and right now actually I'm praying because parang may desire ako to continue some of them. Actually, in fact, yung Boss Moms in Charge, nag-update ulit ako after a long time. I finally updated the page again. So, I want to be more active again in sharing encouragement through the Facebook page. So, I think that's something na doable naman as long as ma-plan ko yung content calendar for that. As for the podcast, that one medyo mas low priority siya. It's not something that I actually am parang hindi ako, basta, it's not on top of the priority or parang yung desire ko for that, hindi siya ganun ka taas. But, the social media management roadmap, that's something na I'm thinking of actually pursuing. Last year, when I resumed vlogging, when I did the Week in Our Business vlog, I sort of mentioned it. And dapat ilo-launch ko na siya last year. But that time, I felt like hindi pa rin siya complete or hindi pa rin ako desidido pa na i-launch siya. Parang feeling ko may mga kulang or parang hindi pa ako confident na it's something valuable, ganyan. So, hindi ko siya tinuloy. And also, hindi ko pa rin naman talaga tapos yung pinaka parang manual na ginagawa ko. But just to give you an overview about it, I'm gonna show you yung mga natapos ko na. Nilipat ko na siya sa Google Docs. I'll start this. Okay. So, yun siya guys. Marami-rami na rin ako nagawa. So, ayan, nakita nyo naman, medyo marami-rami na rin ako nagawa actually. Nasa 30 pages na siya, pero kasama na dun yung mga table of contents, yung mga introduction and everything. But, yung 30 pages na yun ay actually chapter 1 pa lang. Still, marami pang kailangan gawin, marami pang kailangan tapusin. But, one thing pala is, I'm doing this from scratch. As in, I'm not using any AI for the text and copy. And I think that's one of the reasons why natagalan ako na tapusin siya or hindi ko siya matapos kasi ayun, medyo mahirap magsulat. Yeah, ayun. Something na kumbaga another project that I am currently eyeing na gawin. Hopefully matapos ko in a few months or matapos ko siya before this year ends, but we'll see. So aside from that, aside from BMIC, aside from this SMMR, I'm also planning, actually, hindi ko muna i-reveal, but I'm doing something. I started this the other day. This one is quite parang anticlimactic, or parang, hindi siya anticlimactic. Quite unexpected. Something that I did not see myself doing at the moment, but God placed it in my heart, this task, and this is a big task, and so I'm praying that the Lord will give me the wisdom in order for me to complete this task, because I'm doing this not for myself, I'm doing this for the Lord, that I know na through this, God will be glorified. My prayer is that for the Lord to use me through this to spread His word, so that more people will know Him, so that people will know this is the God that I praise, this is the God to whom I pray to. So, yun. Just as lang, hindi ko muna i-share kung ano yun kasi baka maudlot. But yeah, I'm doing something, another one. So, meron akong 3 right now. As of now, meron akong 3 projects na sisimulan or nasinimulan na. And hopefully, by God's grace and God willing, I'd be able to accomplish all this. We'll see.